Right, well, see if we can get a bit of this peeps. Oh, sorry, my bad. Hang on a minute. There we go. We'll have a nice bit of music and we'll see if we catch some fireworks in it. Right. Yeah, there we go. I'll put you on double zoom, peeps. There you are, look. Right. Happy days. Oh, fuck me, he was a banger. He ain't got nothing at the moment, as you can see. In the meantime, I'll shut the fuck up, and you can enjoy a bit of Schindler's List. Yeah, Schindler's List, Nocturne in C, and hopefully you'll spot a firework. That's the moon, that's Saturn. Oh, there we go. Welcome, people. There's Scarborough for you. It's all kicked off. It's all kicked off. Dear, dear, dear. Somebody ain't got their bloody fucking tramadol or something. Oh yeah. They're down the beachfront giving it large. Give me fucking candy floss, you prick. Drowned in the tiger enclosure. Yeah, yeah, in the surf. Yeah. Put you in it, you fucking bastard. I didn't even want tea. Fucking arsehole. Right. That's quite nice, peeps. There we go, we got a nice moon up there, look. And that little dot to the right, I still believe is Saturn at the moment, I think. I don't quote me on it, I'm no Patrick Moore, but I've been trying, haven't I? I'm trying to educate you fuckers. Right. Oh.
It's just a memory of the past. Take this spherical paranoia and shove it in your arse.
Yeah. Yeah. As my mate says, Seagull, he says, shove this spherical paranoia up your ass. So, we're gonna fucking listen to the rest of Chopin.
Just gonna do some over in him flat.
Yeah. Yeah. A bit of Chopin, Nocturne in C. And all the rest of you have a fucking good night. As per usual, peeps. See you later, peeps.